Have you ever seen someone who seems extremely relaxed, calm and level-headed when everything around that person seems so tough? You wonder, why is this person not grumbling? Why is this person not getting angry? Why is this person not giving up? Hi, my name is Dsouza, and today I'm going to share 3 steps how you can build a positive mindset consistently. May I request you to watch the entire video, because at the end I'm going to share a bonus tip that will help you immensely. If you want to build a positive mindset no matter what the situation is, step number 1, be intentional about creating a positive, happy mindset each day. Now, if you are a person who's consistently depending on other people to make you feel happy, for example, if you're expecting somebody to give you a call, when you call them, and if they do not call you, you feel unhappy, and if they call you, you become very happy. When you depend on someone else, when you depend on an external resource to make you happy and excited, then it's going to be very difficult, because let's face it, you will not always get good news. You will not always have exciting events in life. You will not always have people who will make you happy all the time. So, the best way for you is, rather than depending on people or situations that will make you happy, be intentional about creating a positive, happy mindset every day. Remember, it starts with you. No one can make you motivated and excited and give you a positive mindset without your permission. Step number 2, surround yourself with a positive ambience and people. When you get up in the morning, what type of music are you listening to? How's your home looking like? How's your work desk looking like while you're working from home? When you get up in the morning, do you have a neat and tidy house? Does your desk look good? Do you have a book next to you? Do you have some soothing, beautiful music playing in the background? Or are you listening to something really sad, something ridiculous, something that is making you feel sorry for yourself? My friend, you need to know that we are emotional beings, and as humans, we are triggered by the ambience around us. So if you have a beautiful decor around your house, if you have flowers, if you have, a beautiful interior, my friend, it will just uplift you and it will help you to build a positive mindset. Now, you just can't stop there. You also got to ask yourself, who is that person that you spend the most time with? If you're going to consistently spend time with people who are very negative and pessimistic and people who think that things are not going to work out and they're frustrated, my friend, you will become frustrated as well. So, ensure that you spend the maximum time with people who are really, really positive and encouraging. Remember, the people you attach yourself with, the surrounding that you have keeps you excited and motivated to take progressive action. Step number 3, focus on the positive even in a negative situation. Sometimes we have this wrong notion that I should not face any challenge. Some people are actually shocked when there is a problem or there's a bad news. But my friend, the reality is, whether you like it or not, life is gonna have a lot of problems. Unless you're dead, your ECG report is gonna be straight. If you're going to experience the spices of life, then my friend, you're going to have ups and the downs, And the quicker you accept the reality that life's sometimes not going to be fair, there's going to be bad news, there's going to be good news, and there's going to be a mix of both. Once you accept it, my friend, you will anyway start being positive. The other thing that you need to do, my friend, is when you have a difficult situation, don't just focus on the negative part, how it is putting you down, that, why did it happen with me? Why is it such a struggle? Why am I only the person who has to go through this? Can you also look at the positive aspect of it? Can you look at it from a positive perspective? For example, you could be saying that, I'm locked up inside the house, during these times. Somebody else who's on the road could be thinking, oh, only if I could be locked inside the house so that I could get the shelter, the cool breeze in the sunny weather or in the rainy season, I could, just shelter myself, So change your perspective, my friend. Focus on the positive. When you fail, when there are messes, when there are difficulties, ask yourself this question: are there something that I'm learning from this? Are there lessons that I'm taking from this? Is there something that I came to know about myself that I did not know before? As I always say, the biggest breakthrough in life happens when you discover a truth about yourself. So focus on the positive even in a negative situation, and you, my friend, will be able to build a positive mindset consistently. Now, as I promised you, I want to give you a bonus, and this is a powerful step that's really worked for me. Don't stop when you're negative. Progress forward. Let's say you had an argument with one of your colleagues at work, or with your manager, who just shouted at you, or let's say with your family member, and you just got angry about something. Now, the easiest thing for somebody to do is just to crumple down and say, "Oh my God, the morning has started really bad." But hear the word again, my friend. The morning started really bad, but it is your choice, my friend, whether you want to keep it bad or you want to stop the bad and make it beautiful. Now, how you could do that, my friend, is progressing and not stopping. So let's say you're feeling really, really bad and something pathetic happened and you're just feeling angry. That very moment, apart from just being annoyed, go back to your work or go back to doing something which is progressive, which is action-oriented. For example, when I'm really, really annoyed, when I'm frustrated about something, about certain results that I wanted that did not happen, what I just do is I will go online, or if I'm working on something, I will just go ahead and do that one thing that is important. Emotionally, I could be feeling horrible. In my mind, I could be fighting a battle. But while I'm just taking a progressive step and just doing the creative work that I'm doing, in a few minutes, I suddenly observe that my emotion shifts. And as a result, I start feeling good about myself. But do you realize in that 30 minutes, in that 1 hour, I have already taken that one step to progress forward. Sometimes when you distract yourself from the situation, you're able to find a better solution. The emotion gets better. This is something that you have to do intentionally and consistently. A mindset is not built in a day. You got to work on it. You got to work on it. Did you get that? Now, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you think you have a question or you need help on building your mindset, my friend, go ahead, comment below and ask that question. And who knows, I might just answer that question or might even take up a topic in the next video. So until we meet next time, stay strong, stay positive, and you can win.